Okay, so in today's lesson is 10 Years Gone by Led Zeppelin. And it starts out with this classic passage with an A. I'm just going to basically do an outline of all the parts. I'm not going to talk about how many times we play each one. So, part A, intro and verse, is an A major chord and what appears to be an F6 chord, inverted with an A. So, we're playing A and F6. He's picking through it like this. He's strumming like 1, 2, 3, and 4 E. And the little notes between the two chords are a G string A note, then open B as you jump and land on the F6 chord. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4 E. Cool. It does that, then it transitions into these chords: A, D sharp, fully diminished 7, E minor 7, D major 7, C major 7. Cool. So I'll play it in time. With this classic riff, we're in drop D tuning, by the way, so this is an E note. So you're playing 2nd fret, 3rd fret of E, but in drop D. Then you're playing open A, 3rd fret A, open D, then 3rd fret D, then 2nd fret D. Then the magic really happens. Then we have an A power chord, and we're playing, we're just playing this little melody on the G string. Now, there's a lot of music here. What's happening is you're playing that mixed with a chromatic line on the D string. So, and then mixed in with an open A note. So really slowly it goes like this. G, F sharp, F. Good. It does that. It comes back to the main theme. The next bit of material in the tune after a couple of verses we see is the intro to the solo. We hear Jimmy Page play, and we hear that lick. When that happens, this chord progression begins: D major 7. He kind of plays it open and then lands his finger on the chord. And he goes to G, then E minor, and this great little drag that he plays. E minor. Now there's a couple of nuances in that part. When we go to the G, he kind of plays this little fill with thirds. He's playing, imagine your G chord here, but he's playing, so watch how I add that in there. He adds that in there. And on E minor, play with the pinky on the B string 3rd fret, making an E minor 7. Alright, cool. So it does that for the first solo. Then the bridge. All power chords. All you're doing is you're playing 3 strings, E, A, and D, and just bar them at the 5th fret. Mute all of the treble strings. And you're just going, sorry. Oh, sorry, let me get into it. There it goes. Then it goes into this next passage, kind of a continuation of the solo. It's A major 7, D major 7, G, C major 7, A major 7 again, D major 7, G, back to the riff. Then you're home. It does the main riff of the song all the way until the fade out.